Alright, so we're going to be converting this Yaris into a power window keyless entry, because obviously this one doesn't come with. So you still have this roll up window, which is annoying. So, and I don't have a keyless entry. So this Yaris is very basic, so we're going to convert it into a power window, keyless entry. So now it's pretty much removed. I pretty much removed the bumper, because you have to remove all of that so that you have it's not in your way. And now I'm about to remove the door, and then after that I'm gonna put the I'm gonna swap the door that I got it from the Rakers, which is, it comes with the power window and everything. So let's do that. Alright, so replacing the door, I started in driver's side, because I want to convert it to the power window, because this one, as you can see, it's a roll up window. This vehicle is very basic. It doesn't even have a keyless entry. So I'm going to change that. I already installed the power mirror, side mirror, so that's done. So now I'm pretty much done installing the passenger side door. So now I'm going to install the driver side door. But fortunately, to replace this door, you're gonna have to remove the pretty much on the front end bumper, headlights, fender, in order for you to remove the door. So I already started it, as you can see. Now remove the fender, then remove the door, and then I'll put the power window one, which is already here. As you can see, it's got all the switches that I need. So let's do it. Alright, the door is off. There it is. So now the new door is ready to put in. Alright, so I'm done wiring the power window. So there's the main wire. So now this is fully functional now, so we have to turn on the engine or the ignition so we can use the power window. So the ignition is on, right? Switch. So this is for the driver's side, right? This is passenger side. And so is the switch on the passenger side also, if you want to use this. Yeah, so everything works now except the keyless entry, so that's what I'm going to do next. But this basically the power mirror, it's working. Right, so this power mirror is working already, power window is working. So now keyless entry is need to be worked on, and after that it should be done. So we'll see.